The pros and cons of the Sirtfood diet. The Sirtfood diet has been in the news again this week after singer Adele showed off her slimmed down figure on US comedy show Saturday Night Live. Following her appearance on SNL, there was a spike in people searching the diet on Google. But what exactly is the Sirtfood diet, and does it work? The Sirtfood diet is a newer fad diet that reportedly helps people lose weight, burn fat, build muscle, and prevent disease. The idea behind the program is that some foods activate the production of sirtuin proteins in the body. The Sirtfood diet is a dietary plan that restricts calories and food intake. Its creators claim the diet, which includes foods such as strawberries, kale, and dark chocolate, can promote weight loss and help prevent disease and aging. Many celebrities have tried it and say they loved it, including Adele. However, these are lofty claims, and there is limited scientific evidence that the Sirtfood diet is beneficial or even safe for all. Here is everything a person needs to know before talking with their doctor about the Sirtfood diet. Positives of the Sirtfood diet. The idea of losing a lot of weight in just 3 weeks will appeal to many people. The eating plan encourages a range of polyphenol-rich foods that are also good sources of vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, and would be recommended in a range of diets designed to assist with weight management, or as part of a healthy, balanced eating plan. A weight loss diet will be effective if it achieves sustained total daily energy restriction. So the biggest benefit of the Sirtfood diet is the daily energy restriction. You are likely to lose weight if you stick to it. Also, the exclusion of energy-dense, ultra-processed junk foods will help lower the risk for chronic disease. But there are drawbacks to consider too. Negatives of the Sirtfood diet. It would be wise to watch the portion size for some of the foods listed, such as red wine and chocolate. Like most restrictive diets, Phase 1 may be challenging and is not recommended for people with underlying health conditions without the supervision of a health professional. The rapid weight loss in the first phase will reflect a loss of water and glycogen, the stored form of energy in muscles and the liver, rather than being all body fat. Rapid weight loss can increase the risk of gallstones and amenorrhea, missing menstrual periods. The food list includes specific products that may be hard to locate in Australia, such as lovage, a European leafy green plant whose leaves can be used as a herb, roots as a vegetable, and seeds as a spice. Some other items on the list can be expensive. So, ask your doctor before trying any kind of diet.